Somebody is so amused by a stick. It's so funny. Look at this. Raw, 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 raw. Okay. Look, he even loves leaves. Hey, Steel. Look. Don't eat him. You gonna get it? I'm gonna get that puppy. I'm gonna get that blue. Look. It's gonna get you. The leaf is gonna get you. I'm gonna slap you across the nose. Give me that. I'm gonna get that leaf. You guys get so amused so easily. It's so fun to watch. I'm not leaf and I should slap you across the face. Hey, watch the lens, will you? Ruby's like, okay. Why are you guys going after a leaf, or why are you eating it? I'm gonna get that leaf. Where's that stick? Where's that stick? These two get amused so easily. I love it. Where is it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh. You shake it like a toy? Too funny. And don't eat it. You shouldn't eat leaves, you silly dog. Look, I'm gonna get it. Give me that leaf. I'm gonna get that leaf. Tastes funny, huh? Doesn't it, girl? You're supposed to catch it. Don't eat it. Catch it. Steel? What was that for? You don't have to snap at her. Oh, don't eat it. You're supposed to catch it. Oh. You two. Look. Give me that leaf. Look. You gonna get it? You gonna get it? I'm gonna get that tail. The leaf is gonna smack your tail. It's gonna smack your nose. See? It's gonna smack your nose. It's gonna smack your nose. It's gonna smack your nose. Catch it. No, don't eat it. You're not supposed to eat it. No. You want it? You want it? Where'd it go? Down it goes. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Hopefully she'll do this with toys a little bit more often. If she could easily get entertained by a leash, she should get entertained a little bit more with toys. Hey. Hey, I said you can't nip me. I'm not leaf and I shall whack you. I shall whack you. You don't have that power to bite. I shall whack you. I shall whack you. You silly dogs. You dogs are so silly. You two really have puppy brains. You really do. Give me that leaf. Hey, Blue. Blue. Look, here's the leaf. Where is it? Where is it? You gonna shake it? You gonna shake it? Tastes funny, doesn't it? Hi, Ruby. You gonna join the little game here that we're playing? Hey. Okay, Jealous. She could say hello to Ruby anytime she wants. Isn't that right, Blue? Steel is so protective of Ruby. And he's in control of her. He can't even let her touch a toy. He's shaking up. Now she loves leaves. I just hope she doesn't eat them too much. See him as a toy, you goofball. Don't see him as a treat. Yo. Blue. Rah. Rah. I'm gonna get that leaf. Rah. You gonna get it? It's gonna get you. Hey, look. Ow. Bite the leaf, not my fingers. You too. Hey, look. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go, huh? Hey, look. Where is it? Where is it? It's gonna get you. Rah, 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 rah. Hey, Blue. Rah, 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 rah. Rah, 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 rah. Rah, 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 rah. It's gonna get you. Hey, look. There's one. It's gonna get you. Look, it's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. Shoo. Where is it? Where'd it go? Hey, give me that leaf. Let me get it. You wanna chase the leaf? Ah, I'm a leaf, and I talk. I should run from the doggy. Run! Ah, I shall smack you with my stem sword. Look, I'm gonna get you. Run! Run! Hey, Steel. You're missing out, buddy. Look, it's gonna get you. Run! You just want to play with the toy now. Oh, good. Good boy. Give me that toy. Look, I'm gonna run. Run! Run! Look, I'm gonna get you. Look. Look. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. Run! Ah! It's gonna get you. It's gonna smack you. Ah! Run from the doggy! Run from the doggy! Rah! Rah! He just wants to play. Who wants it? Hey, Blue, look. I'm gonna get that leaf and she eats it. Rah! Look, it's gonna get you. You get it? You're chasing a leaf. You should be chasing a toy, you goofball. Yes. Do you like leaves? Yes. Do you like toys? Hey, Steel. Do you like toys? Yes. Do you like leaves? No. Then why are you chasing them? Huh? Then why are you chasing them? Hey, Blue. You like leaves? Yes. Yes. Oh, she's not as gullible as Steel. Aw. Do you like toys? No. Was that fun? Was that fun? Did you have fun? Did you have fun playing with the leaves? All right, see you later. Say bye. Bye. Bye.